the if condition, we have some condition. If the condition is true, we are going to execute this code written in the scope of the if statement only one time, and then we come out of the if statement to execute the rest code. But in the loops we do not do that. Like for the while loop, we have a condition, a simple condition. If the condition is true, we execute this code written in the scope of the while loop one time, and then we come back and again check the condition. If the condition is still true, we are going to again execute this code and come back and again check the condition. If the condition is still true, we again execute this same code again and again. When our condition is false, we come out of the while loop. For the for loop, syntax has three parts of the for loop. First part is for initializing or making variables, and then we write the semicolon and we write some condition in this second part of the for loop, and then semicolon, and then increment or decrement in that particular variable which we are using in this condition part. We can increment or decrement on the to make our condition satisfied, and then the counter plus plus is equal to, like we can write counter equal to counter plus 1. Like counter plus plus is adding 1 in the counter variable. We shortly write this like this. Okay, now come in the for loop. Like we are going to make a variable counter, and the first part is going to execute only one time. When we enter in the for loop statement, then this part is going to execute. For the rest of conditions and something, this part is not going to execute again and again. We check the condition. If the condition is true, we execute the code body, and then we increment or decrement the variable. Then again we check the condition. If the condition is still true, we are going to execute this code one more time, and then increment and decrement the variable, and then again check the condition, and again execute the code body and increment or decrement the variable, and then again check the condition. We repeat this many times. When our condition is true, we repeat this part of the body, and then we come out of the body of the for loop, and we end the